Hey everybody, hope you're all doing well tonight. So, this is the time where things become difficult. As you can see, it's about 9 o'clock at night and the sun is setting. And so that leads to the biggest problem that I have living without electricity. And that is lighting. So, I've been doing this for 5 years and I've tried a lot of different methods. The first thing that I tried was kerosene lamps, and I tried a couple of different styles of kerosene lamp. I had just a static one, just with a trimmable wick. I'll just go in here. It's That's it sitting up there, or the last one that's left. I actually have a security light in here so that I can find my lamps quickly. It's just powered by a solar panel up on the roof. Um, so I tried that with mirrors in behind. So I had them in, oh, you can't actually see it on the screen, but I had them in the corners of the rooms and in the middle of the room, and I had mirrors. I cut mirror glass and behind it to reflect the light out, and it was honestly about this bright, even with 3 lamps going. So then I got a pump up one, one that you fill with kerosene and you pump it up. It's kind of like a gas lamp. And that was incredibly noisy. So then I got a gas lamp, and I'm sure it's fine for a weekend camping, but not for living off grid like this. The noise is just incredible, and so then I got you see this unit here. This is so I've got a solar panel up on the roof for this as well. And it was fine for the first 3 months. You plug in little LED lights to it, and that's one of them sitting up there. I don't know if you can see that. They're just kind of like standard house bulbs, but they're LED lights. And it was fine for the first 3 months, and then after 3 months, it just got less and less efficient. It's got to the point now where I could charge it for all day, and it'll give me about 15 minutes of decent light. So after trialing all of those methods, I settled on this. And I've used this for 3 years. It's just a headlamp. It's got 2 different settings. And if you just excuse me for a minute, I'll put it on my head, hopefully without dropping the phone, and you'll see what I mean. So I've got a couple of these security lights here, and they last for about half an hour. And it's just enough light for me to find this, get everything set up if I need to. As you can see, that's it with the headlamp on. So lighting is far and away the biggest problem that I have. It's going to be the biggest problem that you're going to have in a blackout situation. So my advice is that you get a head torch. The first couple of years that I was in here living without electricity, I tried all sorts of solutions, and this turned out to be the best one. So I'll turn it off there. You can see it lights up really well. It is annoying having a torch stuck on your head, especially in winter. but it's just honestly the best solution. You can see there I've got another security light, and that's if I come down home and I haven't got my torch, that light comes on around the corner. I can see the door and unlock the door and then get inside, and then this one will come on, and then I can find the torch and change the batteries if I have to, and I've got enough light to do that easily. Most of this light is actually coming from the torch, believe it or not. So get yourself a good head torch. That's going to solve your light problems. And I need to go and get some firewood, because it's actually got quite cold. I wonder how cold it actually is. Let's have a look. It's very cold. It's 12 degrees. It's been 30 degrees today, so it actually feels quite cold. Anyway, so I need to go and get some firewood and bring it in before it gets dark. I thought it would be nice and warm tonight, which is why I didn't do it. Just pull that across. Okay guys, so we'll shut the video down at that. So lighting, it's going to be your biggest problem. That is my biggest problem. And the simplest and best solution that I found is to get a headlamp.